In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize HoneyBook proposals. Easy Editing 2026. Let's jump right in. Open your favorite web browser and head to honeybook.com. Make sure you're on the official site so you can sign in safely. If you're already logged in, great, you'll go straight in. If not, enter your account details and complete any prompts that appear, like two-factor codes or security verifications. Those extra checks are normal and help keep your client information secure. Once you're in, you'll land on your HoneyBook dashboard. This is your home base, where you'll see an overview of your activity, projects, and anything that might need your attention. Take a quick beat to let the page load fully. A clear dashboard gives you a clean starting point and makes the next steps faster. Now look to the left side of your screen. That vertical panel is your main navigation. It's where you'll find the key areas of HoneyBook organized in one place so you can jump between them easily. Getting comfortable with this sidebar is a small habit that saves a lot of time, especially when you're moving between projects and documents throughout the day. From that left navigation, click Files. The Files area is where HoneyBook stores your documents. Think proposals, invoices, and templates, so you can manage them without hunting around. It's designed to keep everything structured, which is especially helpful if you handle multiple clients or services. Inside Files, go ahead and click Proposals. This view focuses just on your proposals, filtering out everything else so your working list is easy to scan. If you've created a lot of them, you'll notice how tidy this layout is. Perfect for quickly finding what you need without digging through other file types. Scroll down to the bottom of the Proposals view to see your recent proposals. This is a convenient shortcut to the items you've worked on most recently, which often are the ones you want to update or finalize. If you name your proposals consistently, they'll be even easier to pick out at a glance. When you spot the proposal you want to edit, just click it to Customize. That opens the proposal editor, where you can tailor the content to your client and brand. Use this space to refine your messaging, adjust any details your client requested, and make sure the visual elements like branding, layout, and tone feel cohesive. As you review, keep an eye out for clarity and consistency, so the proposal reads smoothly and looks professional from start to finish. And that's it. Go to HoneyBook, sign in, head to your dashboard, use the left navigation to open files, select proposals, check your recent list, and click the proposal you want to customize. You're ready to make it yours.